My friend Matt was organizing a trip through the Gila National Forest of southwest New Mexico and asked if I was interested. Was I ever? The trip would include 2 passes I had unsuccessfully attempted in the past due to deep snow, through Chloride Canyon and over the Continental Divide, and Bursum Road across Silver Creek Divide and down to Mogollon. So 5 of us in 4 vehicles met at the National Radio Astronomy Very Large Array near Magdalena, New Mexico. Matt, with John riding with him, would be driving his brand new Jeep Gladiator. Jake would drive a 6-wheel drive Pinzgauer. Mike would be in his Mercedes-Benz G-Wagen, and I would be driving my Jeep Wrangler JK, though my Gladiator was being shipped from the factory on this very meetup day. At mid-afternoon, we were off for a 4-day, 3-night adventure that would, for me, complete some unfinished business.
Looks like it might be a locked gate.
No serpentine belt.
Not do a field repair.
Wouldn't need a water pump, would you?
That's true. You wouldn't need 2 shifts. Wouldn't need a water pump.